Welcome again. Welcome to Creative Circle number 2. We were pretty excited last time. I think Zeadala and I are even more excited this time because we've got such a fantastic guest.
Every single time I listen to your music, I feel that in kind of different parts of my life, and it's one of the huge reasons why we wanted to invite you here to kind of present your work. You should look up Z's work if you haven't already, and obviously you're going to see some of it today, but I think we should just give her a round of applause for coming today.
Was birthed on her country in rising fields of summer, which harvested hope each winter. Wet rice cultivator, seed sower, nurser of seedlings, she drew me out of her dreaming and singing.
So I wrote this song, Pain Body. And it's about, while we show compassion to other people, we should also, show compassion to ourselves.
I'm addicted to my pain body. It pours down like rain on me. My finger on the trigger. Why would I do that to myself? But I wouldn't do to no one else. Think I'm addicted to my pain body. It pours down like rain on me. My finger on the trigger. Why would I do that to myself? But I wouldn't do to no one else. This is dreaming, yes, this is fate. This is belief, I can't quit, I won't wait, I won't seek permission to honor the truth. Liberate the mind to take care of the youth. Where is my community? Where is my family? Where are my enemies? The ones that can't stand me. I even plan B. I just plant seeds. The finest of the fine, I'm something that you can't be. Why would you wanna tell me why you still left me for dead? Y'all didn't think that I would heal. I've got these battle scars, I've got these memories, I've got these lessons that have learned to defend me.
The path of life is full of pressure, unless we know ourselves as diamonds. Resisting the status quo that won't let us grow, so we can go ahead and shine them.
Life's a gift we can't resist. So what you gonna do with all of it to find your happiness? I'm not perfect, I'm not what I need to know. There are my purpose for my heart is beating for every